If you follow our channel here, you might have noticed that I have a little lasagna problem. I like it a lot, but despite the appearances, I'm a very lazy person when it's about food. And those plates, those pasta plates, they are in Turkey for some kind of reason expensive. So I'm always glad to try out different versions, and this stale bread version is the perfect thing for lazy people. You just have bread, one sauce, lots of cheese, and that's it. It's just perfect. Here we go.
For the sauce, you will need some oil.
Turning on the heat would be a nice idea, right? I'm a very clever person. First off, we will need onion. This is just one onion and it started to sprout. So I just added it in as well. Might as well. It's onion after all. And another thing that shouldn't be missing is garlic. I have here 5 cloves, bigger and smaller. It looks like a lot, but once it's roasted, you don't taste it as much, but it gives it a great flavor. You can skip this if you wanna. It's really up to you. And now this gets roasted. Yes. They're bordering on burnt, but that looks to be kind of my own fault because they are dark. Now comes in the tomatoes. I really don't like the purple onions. They look so burned. I mean, these were bordering on burnt, but you know. Now season with some pepper.
Some salt, lots of thyme, and lastly some heavy cream.
This will be brought to a boil, and then I will let it not cool off, but put it aside. Who says that stale bread needs to be like the big loaf? It can be toast bread as well. So the only reason why I cut these is so that it fits in here perfectly. You can do that in any way or shape or form you want to do. And now we just carefully spread the sauce, about 1/3 of it.
And try to spread it as evenly as possible so that the bread can soak in the sauce.
I wish we had smell TV or smell YouTube, because you have no idea how amazing this smells. So I'm giving this a layer of mozzarella, a layer of some kind of salami. This one is turkey. And now a layer of some other cheese.
Because you can never have too much cheese. But of course, the choice is yours. Just close it out with another layer of bread, the other third of the sauce, and then the layering of the cheese again. The final part is another layer of bread and the remaining sauce.
As a final touch, more cheese. And now off into the oven. Look at this beauty. Okay, it doesn't look great. But you have to smell the smell. Ah. I mean, you see the layers. The lower one is kind of on the side, second and the third. And it's almost completely through. Maybe I should have had a bit more here. But let's give this a taste. Okay. No knife required. That's something good. Man, the smell. This is just amazing. Yeah, whatever. I'm gonna eat now. Okay, one thing's for sure, I'm stupid. So, first things first, it's still kind of hot. I cut it with the normal slices. And now, I have one good portion, and here we go. Now this is proper representation. We got the 3 layers all properly soaked through. The cheese melting through. I'm not gonna touch this. This is just too beautiful. And it tastes amazing. So, yay! This recipe has become a classic in my kitchen. I usually don't eat toast bread, but when I know it's gonna be a busy week, or I kind of expect it to be, I just get a package, let it open, dry out a bit, get it stale a bit, or just leave it in the fridge for that matter, depending on the weather and all. And then I have a quick dinner ready. It's just perfect, at least for me it is. I don't know about you, but I would love to hear if you try it out. Apart from that, I have a Patreon, and subscribing, liking, and commenting helps us a lot to grow this channel to further heights and share the deliciousness with everyone. This was intense. Whatever. Thank you for watching till the end. Have a delicious weekend and see you whenever.